Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about Facebook ads. So whenever you create a campaign and you just set up everything which is required according to your campaign. So what happened? What happened when you just created a campaign and published it? So you can see here, it is saying review and publish. So when you publish this campaign like review and publish, so what happened after that? What happens after that? So to view this one, you need to go to your campaigns. Let's say this one, campaigns, and you can see all your campaigns listed here. Okay, so if you want to check for this campaign, you need to you can turn it on or off depending upon your uses. Okay, and here you will see the notification like this campaign was updated. Okay, so I don't want this campaign to be run. Yeah, so I want to check for this one. Okay, so here you can see here is the delivery option, where it is saying like in review, like I have published this campaign, and after publishing this campaign, the thing which I was getting was no ads. Here it was written no ads. So first time when I see no ads, I was thinking why it is in no ads condition, like it should be either inactive or in review. What I was getting here, no ads. So how did why there was no ads option here? So I get to know after some times, like after half an hour, I see here no ads. So it takes some time. It takes some time uh, to change the state of this delivery option. Like initially it was no ads, then it went into in review position. Okay, so the state got changed after 30 minutes, I think, and the status of this campaign got changed from no ads to in review. Okay, so so anytime when you see here no ads, then don't get worried. It's just a normal thing, because it takes some time to change the status of your ad. That's why. So here you can see here sometimes it will be in review and sometimes it will be in processing as well. So the processing state of this delivery is because whenever you just made certain changes to your campaign, then it takes some time to process that to be updated, and then after that state it got into in review. After that processing it get into in review, and then if your ad will be accepted by the Facebook team, it will be in active state. Here it will be shown as active state, and let's say you just turned it off, then it is off or it can be inactive as well. Okay, and if this ad will be running like it is running across the Facebook, so across the Facebook platform, so this status will be changed to active state. Okay, so there are 4 states. Actually there are many states, but mostly used are like whenever you just publish your ad, then it will be in either in processing or in review. In processing because you just made certain changes to your campaign, so it is just taking some time, and uh, then it will be ready to to be reviewed by the Facebook team. And when they just reviewed your ad copy and the campaign, then it will be ready to go, then it will become active. And when when your Facebook ad will run for a certain number of days, like whichever you have scheduled for it. So after finishing that campaign, it will be in inactive state, okay, because it has already either you have switched it off, or because of the scheduling it has become off, okay. So I hope you have understood why you got no ads, or why you got processing, in processing, or in review. What is the meaning of it? I hope this one was helpful for you. Thank you so much. Do watch other videos as well. Thank you.